Okay, guys, this is the star of the show. I want to thank KCZAZY for sending me this electric grill. The best thing about this electric grill is it is dishwasher safe. It goes to 450 degrees lightning speed, one of the fastest heating elements I've ever seen. Okay, most of the smokers that I've done on the show don't go that high. This one goes to 450, so I can get a good sear on this. Okay, and this is smokeless. That means I got a fan built inside that pulls the smoke inward. So you guys ready to check this out? Come on in close. Let me give you a close-up look at this bad boy. Okay, so first of all, comes in a beautiful red, or you can get it in black. Comes in a non-stick surface, so it cleans up easy, and we'll be showing you that, okay? And this grill just pops out, so you can put it in the dishwasher if you want. So let me show you one of the best parts about it. Pull the grill right out and put this amazing griddle top right in. Can you believe it? I've never seen an indoor grill that gives you another top that turns this right into a griddle. Look at that. You can do eggs, you can do pancakes, you can do bacon, you can do a whole bunch of stuff on this device. This is amazing. Griddle top, and then you got the regular grill top. And you get this great glass lid. So if I'm doing bacon, no grease is splattering. If I'm doing steak, then the steaks get cooked twice as fast because this holds the heat in. But let's go back to the barbecue grill because that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do some ribeyes. So if there's only one thing you remember out of this video is to always add water in the water tray before cooking, okay? They recommend 2 cups of water, so we'll put that in right now so we can show you how well this thing does. Then put in your tray cover. Then you're gonna grab your heating element and just drop it right in. Look at this. That is the easiest removal of a heating element I've ever seen. Then you're gonna drop in this non-stick pan, which is supposed to be very easy to clean, dishwasher safe. So we just pop that in. Look at that. Pops right on. And then here's your power button. You're gonna press power. When the light's solid, you're good to go. And then you hit fan. This is for like things that are smoking. You're gonna be grilling, so hit fan. Hear the fan going. And then you can put your temperature where you want it. Okay, so when you're preheating from cold, you should start around 350, 300. Don't go all the way up to 450. Get it up a little bit and then pop it. So we're gonna go to 350 right now. See, we're at 350. Got the fan going, got the power on. We're good to go now. Let's let this preheat. Before this grill gets too hot, I want to put a little oil on here. Just for flavor and to enhance the non-stick surface. Don't ever do like don't do a cooking spray. You just put a light coat of some olive oil on here. Don't do a cooking spray because cooking spray will build up on a non-stick surface, but a little bit of oil is okay. Let's pop them on. Got a little salt and pepper on here. I can already smell this thing searing up just nice. Some of you like to do a reverse sear, that's fine. But I put this cooking device up to 450, all the way up so I can get the best sear possible. I want to sear first, then I'm going to drop down to 350, more of a baking temperature so we can finish it off. Okay, I want to make sure we put our glass lid on. There we go. So the heat stays trapped, cooks twice as fast. It's already cooking the top of the steak too. That's what this lid is for. Love this lid. I like to peek, make sure the sear's good. Well, I'm sure it is. There it is. Look at that. Look at those lines. That doesn't, look at that. Oh, marbled and fat. My mouth is watering. Look at how beautiful those steaks look. Okay, so literally the steaks are done. Look at the grill. I didn't even use soap and water. I just rinsed it off with water. Look at that. Beautiful. We still got something more to do. So let's do step 2. You guys ready? All right, guys. We are at temperature. Clean grill. I boiled some vegetables here. So we're gonna now grill some vegetables. I love my vegetables charred. Got to keep an eye on them though, because I don't want them to get burned. There's a fine line between charred and burned. So with vegetables, the goal is to keep an eye on them and keep moving them around. They'll get a little charred and you move them. Kind of like grilling corn. So this will want to be on one side after a while. Don't want to burn it. But I do have oil on vegetables. That's important. There it is, the whole meal cooked on one smokeless cooker from KCZAZY. That looks beautiful. Look at that. My mouth is drooling right now. So I want to thank KCZAZY for sponsoring this video. There's the cooker up close. Amazing device. Great Christmas present with the holidays coming around the corner, all right? You guys check this out. There should be a link down below. There should be a discount code below. I love you guys very much, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.